The Executive Secretary of the Universal Basic Education Commission, Dr. Aisha Garba, has urged public relations officers across the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory to play more proactive roles in communicating government-led reforms in the basic education sector. Dr. Garba made the call while declaring open a 2-day training workshop for heads of public relations of state universal basic education boards in Abuja. Represented by Razak Akinyemi, Deputy Executive in the Commission, Garba, who described the participants as gatekeepers of information and shapers of narratives, noted that while the Commission has introduced several initiatives to revitalize basic education in Nigeria, the success hinges on how well these policies are communicated, understood, and embraced by the public.
As the organization and the Universal Basic Education is doing a lot, and I'm very sure that this is a very good forum to promote what we are doing, so that everybody in Nigeria knows truly that the organization has intervened, has continued to intervene in ensuring that the basic education is given a pride of place in Nigeria.
Proves that the public relations officer role as key components to communicating these activities to the public so as to get their buy-in. Remember, the slogan for UBEC is education for all is the responsibility of all. So believe community has their responsibility, and the public relations officer as a stopgap for communicating these achievements and responsibilities.
She emphasized that public awareness and stakeholder engagement are crucial to tackling persistent challenges in the sector, especially the issue of out-of-school children, which her administration has prioritized as a key area of reform.
The statistics of out-of-school children, the challenges in teachers' quality, and the need for modern skills are not just numbers on paper. They are reality. We are mandated to change. This is the reason we must be ready for the work ahead. This training is not about business as usual. It's about keeping our tools, rethinking our strategy, embracing new and innovative ways to engage with the public. We cannot afford to be reactive. We must be proactive.
The workshop themed Strengthening Strategic Communication for Effective Basic Education Delivery is aimed at equipping state-level public relations heads with the skills and strategies needed to amplify the Commission's reform agenda and foster greater public support. CNA News.